student, today we are going to learn what is kinematic chain and types of kinematic chain. What is the types of kinematic chain? A kinematic chain is a series of link পরপর join করা. A kinematic chain is a series of members connected by kinematic pair. Kinematic pair means two links are joined having relative motion between them is known as kinematic pair, and the motion of each relative to the others is defined. প্রত্যেকটা লিংকের motion relative to others is defined. Defined means each link always same type of motion may be sliding motion, may be turning motion. Okay, the last link of the kinematic chain is attached to the first link. Last link attached to the first link. This is a slide Engg mechanism. Here the fixed part, this part is fixed, this guide are fixed, all fixed part, this is frame, this is frame, all fixed part are considered one link. This is the crank, this is link 2, this is the connecting rod, this is link 3, this is the slider or piston, this is link 4. Here link 2 crank, if rotate this direction, piston link 4 or slide this direction. If link 2 crank rotate in this direction, clockwise direction, then piston link 4 slide in this direction. So the motion of each link is defined, নির্দিষ্ট. Hence the total combination of this link 1, 2, 3, 4, all this combination is a kinematic chain. Okay, example of kinematic chain, slide can mechanism or the 4-bar mechanism, the slide can mechanism, all are example of kinematic chain. Now types of kinematic chain. We know relation for a kinematic chain for a lower pair means a kinematic pair is known as lower pair when the two links has surface contact or area contact. relation for a kinematic chain, there are two relations. One, L equal to 2p minus 4. Relation 2, J equal to 3 by 2 L minus 2, where L equal to number of link, binary link, number of link, P equal to number of lower pair, number of lower pairs, J equal to number of joint, binary joint, number of binary joint. If left side, this is a equation, this is a equation, this is the left side, this is right side, this is the left side, this is the right side. If LHS left hand side greater than RHS right hand side, then the chain is called lock chain. Then the chain is called lock chain. Lock chain means if the links are connected in such a manner, in such a way that no motion is possible, no motion is possible. It is not mechanism. Okay. Second, if left hand side equal to right hand side RHS, then the chain is constant. The chain is constant chain. Constant means if the link are connected in such a way to provide constant. Constant means desire, predicted, আগে থেকে calculated motion. If the link are connected in such a way to provide constant motion or desired motion, predicted motion, it is mechanism. It is mechanism. In this case, the chain has mechanism. Third, if left hand side less than right hand side, then the chain is unconstant. Chain is, kinematic chain is unconstant. Unconstant means if for a particular position of a link of the chain, if the particular position of a link of the chain, the position of the other links, position of the other link of the chain cannot be predicted, cannot be predicted, cannot be estimated, cannot be calculated. একটা লিংকের মোশনের জন্য আদার্স অন্যান্য লিংকের কি মোশন হবে সেটা এস্টিমেট করা যায় না, সেটা প্রেডিক্টেড করা যায় না, সেটা ক্যালকুলেটেড করা যায় না, সেটাকে বলছি unconstant chain, kinematic chain. Here there is no mechanism, there is no mechanism, only in this case mechanism is possible. Now relation for a kinematic chain higher pair, this relation J plus H by 3 equal to 3 by 2 L minus 2. here H equal to higher pair, H equal to higher pair. Example of lock chain, this is a 3-bar chain, 1 2 3, number of link 3. Here given number of joint, binary joint, this joint, this joint, this joint, number of joint j equal to 3, number of link 1 2 3, number of link L equal to 3, number of lower pair, P equal to 3. Lower pair means this joint may be sliding or turning motion relative to each other. This joint may be turning or sliding motion. This is called pair. Number of lower pair P equal to 3. From first condition, formula is L equal to 2P minus 4. In left side, L equal to number of link 3, 2P, 2, P equal to number of lower pair 3, 2 into 3 minus 4 equal to 2. So left hand side greater than right hand side. Also equation 2, we know j equal to 3 by 2 into L minus 2, j equal to number of joint 3 by 2 into L equal to number of link 3 minus 2 equal to 2. Left hand side greater than right hand side. Therefore it is a lock chain. There is no mechanism. Now example of constant chain. This is the 4-bar chain. Number of link 1 2 3 4, number of joint 1 2 3 4, number of lower pair here turning or rotating motion. There is turning or rotating motion. Number of lower pair also 4. Given number of joint j equal to 4, number of link binary link L equal to 4, number of lower pair P equal to 4. From this equation we know L equal to 2P minus 4. L equal to 4, 2 into P equal to 4 minus 4 equal to 4. Left side, so left side equal to right side, so left side equal to right side. Also in equation 2, j equal to 3 by 2 into L minus 2, j equal to 4, left side 4, right side 3 by 2, L equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 4. So LHS equal to RHS, left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is a constant chain. So, it is a constant chain. There we provide the constant or desired motion. It is a mechanism. In 4-bar chain, there is mechanism. Now, example of unconstant chain. Example of unconstant chain. This is the figure of a 5-bar chain. This is the figure of a 5-bar chain. There are 5 links, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 joint. Number of lower pair also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This joint has turning motion or revolving motion. So this joint are lower pair, this joint are lower pair. So given number of joint J equal to 5, number of link L equal to 5, number of lower pair P equal to 5. Now from this equation L equal to 2P minus 4, left side L equal to 5, right side 2 into P equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 6. So left hand side less than right hand side. Also equation 2, we know equation 2 J equal to 3 by 2 into L minus 2. In left side J equal to left side J equal to 5 equal to left side 5, 3 by 2 L equal to 5, number of link L equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 5.2. Therefore, left hand side LHS less than right hand side. Therefore, it is an unconstant chain. Left hand side less than right hand side. Therefore, it is a unconstant chain. Unconstant chain means for a particular position of any link, the position of other link of the chain cannot be predicted. একটা লিঙ্কের মোশনের জন্য আদার লিঙ্কের মোশন not estimated, not predicted, not calculated. So it is not a mechanism. Okay,